Hello, my friend. If your device has a noise, first then we need to check this gear. This gear should not too up and not too down. We need to check it. The best way is in the middle. Okay, this is first one. If this one has no problem, we need to check the down gears. Okay, the gears must be flat. Okay, it should be not. If it is not flat, that's a problem. So this one must be very straight. Okay, this one must be very straight. Otherwise, the three gears has problems. Okay, this is one thing very important. If you cannot understand, firstly we need to remove the port. Okay, and then remove the steel wire. Okay, then we open the two screws. After we open the two screws, we take the up spare parts, up parts down, to check whether the gear moving smooth or not. Okay, this is first screw, and now we are open the other one. Okay, take it out. Now we check. We press Y and to check whether the gear moving smooth or not. If it is not smooth, we need to check what's the problem. Okay, you can see this is very important. You can see this part must be very vertical to the device. Otherwise, the three gears has problem. So we need to open these two screws and check. It must be very vertical. Then we can remove the noise.